AI is actually delivering. You see it every day. At InstaDeep, the mission is to build AI that benefits everyone. The Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA is the fundamental building block that allows InstaDeep to deliver its magic. Printed circuit boards, PCBs, are everywhere. They're in your smartphone, they're in your fridge, they're even in the screens behind me. This is the basic component of all electronics, but incredibly, they are designed manually. And I was like, we can do this with AI.
AI innovation requires a robust ecosystem of hardware, software, and expertise. By partnering with Dell Technologies and leveraging their AI Factory solution with NVIDIA, we have helped InstaDeep accelerate their AI model training by up to 40%.
We've developed AI-based agents for the placing and routing of PCBs using reinforcement learning that help automate the complex design process of printed circuit boards. PCB designers can really make their vision come to life in a much more accelerated time frame.
SCC, Dell Technologies, and InstaDeep form a powerful AI ecosystem.
Having the right partners is critical for us because we are focused on innovation and building world-first products. This is not about LLMs, it's about agents. AI systems that are so smart that they can evolve in a complex universe, make decisions, see the outcome, and learn from there. This is a fundamental revolution. I believe that this will generate insane economies of scale. This will allow smaller, leaner teams to accomplish the work that normally would be done by larger teams. This is really like a new phase of the AI revolution, and we're very excited to be part of it.